Hey guys, today we're going to be making spaghetti in not one or two, but 3 different ways, so feel free to use whichever iteration of this recipe you want that suits your cravings for your spaghetti night. So to start off with just cooking the pasta itself, salt, boiling water, throw it into a pot on medium heat, and mix around so that the salt is able to dissolve. Go ahead and add in your pasta sticks. Am I the only one that likes to eat these when they're hard? Because, I don't know, it's kind of good. It's like a little snack. It's crunchy and it's good. So then, you don't want to serve it like that though, so make sure you put it in your boiling water, let it get nice and soft like this, and have someone taste it to see if it's good, or taste a lot of it to see if it's good. Please, Mom, let me taste it. And then you're going to move it into a separate bowl. And for this one, super simple, just finish with some Parmesan cheese, some olive oil, and a sprinkle of basil. And then you're going to move on to chopping up some onions. Try not to cry. As well as some garlic. And grab more of that basil from earlier and chop it up. Doesn't have to be super fancy or anything, but just a little bit, so that it gives a little bit of texture when we add it to the sauce. And then some tomato paste, as well as very well ripened and peeled tomatoes. So throw in the onion with a little bit of olive oil. You could use the same pot or another pot. And then the garlic. And then the tomato sauce. And then the cherry tomatoes to finish off. And then just stir that around. So this is just traditional red sauce. Finish off with some boiling water to make it a little bit thinner, or you can not do that step and keep it thicker, whatever you, or however you like to have your sauce with your spaghetti. And then sprinkle some salt, black pepper, and then some oregano. And finally, you're gonna throw in that basil you chopped up and mix it. I'm honestly just narrating the things my mom is doing. You could probably do this whole thing without me saying anything, but you guys love to hear my voice, so why not? Then you're gonna slowly add in your spaghetti. You could also just serve it separately. My mom usually does that, but this is nice just to have the full thing assembled. But some people in my family are picky about the proportion of spaghetti to sauce. Like some people, like my brother, definitely like to eat sauce with their spaghetti because there is absolutely no sauce there. But I know other people like my dad who eat their spaghetti with their sauce because there is barely any pasta and it's just all sauce. So this is the consistency my mom decided to choose. So just a light coat of the pasta and then just garnish with some basil. And finally, we're gonna move on to the meat involved recipe. Take some ground beef, put it in a pot, let it cook a little bit. Gonna add some salt and some black pepper. And you're gonna let that cook and become nice and golden brown. No need to do any washing or anything. Straight to the spices. Add that in, or however much you want to add in to that whole mixture. with the spaghetti and the sauce. And then you can plate that up as well. So I guess the 3 iterations are just like sequential in terms of the workload. So the first one is just you make pasta, and the second one is you make pasta and sauce, and the third one you make pasta, sauce, and meat. So it's like the final evolution of this spaghetti. But once you're done with that, still coat with some cheese and some basil. I think that always brings it all together very nicely. And then you're gonna be done. Go ahead and eat that. And definitely don't struggle here. My brother's definitely not struggling at all. Very good, yeah. So that's it. We hope you guys enjoy eating the spaghetti. Let us know what other toppings you like to add in your spaghetti, or if there's any weird things that works with it. I don't know. Happy spaghettiing. Bye.